For centuries, the vast expanse of the ocean has captivated humanity, beckoning explorers, traders, and adventurers to navigate its uncharted waters. The allure of the unknown, the promise of new lands, and the potential for wealth and discovery have driven countless souls to brave the unpredictable seas. From the earliest Polynesian voyages across the vast Pacific, where navigators used their deep understanding of the ocean to travel thousands of miles, to the mighty fleets of the Age of Exploration, which sought new trade routes and territories, the history of ship navigation is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring quest to conquer the seas. Each era brought with it new challenges and innovations, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Early seafarers relied on rudimentary methods, often crafted from the materials they had at hand, using natural cues like the sun, stars, wind, and currents to guide their way. They would meticulously observe the heavens, noting the positions of celestial bodies to chart their course. They observed wave patterns, bird migrations, and even the smell of the ocean to navigate. The behavior of marine life and the color of the water were also crucial indicators. These early navigators possessed an intimate knowledge of their environment, a knowledge that was both practical and spiritual, passed down through generations of maritime tradition. This wisdom was often shared through stories, rituals, and hands-on training, ensuring that each new generation was prepared for the challenges of the sea. As civilizations advanced, so too did the tools and techniques for navigating the seas. The development of more sophisticated instruments allowed for greater precision and confidence in long-distance voyages. The invention of the compass, astrolabe, and sextant revolutionized ship navigation, providing mariners with the ability to determine their direction and position with unprecedented accuracy, enabling mariners to determine their direction and position with greater accuracy. These tools, combined with detailed nautical charts, transformed the way seafarers approached their journeys. These instruments, alongside detailed nautical charts, ushered in a new era of exploration and trade, connecting distant corners of the globe. The world became smaller as new routes were discovered and mapped, connecting distant corners of the globe. The exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures flourished, leading to a more interconnected world. Today, while modern technology has transformed ship navigation, with GPS, radar, and advanced computer systems ensuring safe and efficient travel, the legacy of these early pioneers lives on. Their courage, ingenuity, and deep respect for the power of the sea continue to inspire us as we explore the world's oceans. Their courage, ingenuity, and deep respect for the power of the sea continue to inspire us as we explore the world's oceans. As we look to the future, we carry with us the lessons and spirit of those who first dared to venture into the unknown. Long before the advent of modern navigation systems, sailors looked to the heavens for guidance. The vast, uncharted waters of the world's oceans presented a daunting challenge, and the night sky became a map for those brave enough to venture into the unknown. The stars, those celestial beacons scattered across the night sky, provided a natural and reliable means of navigating the open ocean. Each star, with its unique position and brightness, served as a point of reference, guiding sailors through the darkness. By understanding the movements of constellations and their position relative to the Earth, skilled navigators could determine their latitude, charting courses across vast distances. This knowledge was passed down through generations, becoming an essential part of maritime tradition. One of the most important celestial aids for navigation was the North Star, Polaris. Unlike other stars that appear to move across the sky, Polaris remains almost stationary, making it a reliable reference point. Located almost directly above the North Pole, Polaris appears stationary in the sky, providing a fixed reference point for sailors. Its consistent position allowed mariners to maintain a steady course, even in the vast and featureless expanse of the open ocean. By measuring the angle between the horizon and Polaris, mariners could determine their latitude, a crucial piece of information for plotting their position on a chart. This method, known as celestial navigation, was a skill that required both precision and practice. In addition to Polaris, navigators relied on other prominent stars and constellations such as the Southern Cross in the Southern Hemisphere to orient themselves at sea. Each constellation had its own significance and provided different information depending on the time of year and the observer's location. They memorized star charts and used instruments like the astrolabe and sextant to measure the altitude of celestial bodies, enabling them to calculate their position with remarkable accuracy. These tools, though simple in design, were incredibly effective in the hands of a skilled navigator. Even today, with sophisticated GPS systems readily available, the art of celestial navigation remains a valuable skill for sailors. It serves as a backup in case of electronic failure and as a testament to the enduring legacy of traditional navigation methods. It serves as a reminder of our enduring connection to the cosmos and the ingenuity of those who came before us, navigating the vast expanse of the ocean guided by the stars above. The night sky, with its timeless beauty and mystery, continues to inspire and guide us, just as it did for the sailors of old. The history of ship navigation is intricately linked to the development of increasingly sophisticated navigational instruments. From simple tools like the compass and chip log to modern marvels like GPS and radar, these instruments have revolutionized our ability to navigate the seas, enabling us to explore new horizons and connect distant corners of the globe. One of the earliest and most significant inventions in maritime navigation was the compass. This ingenious device, using the Earth's magnetic field to indicate direction, freed sailors from their dependence on celestial navigation, allowing them to maintain course even in cloudy conditions or during daylight hours. Another groundbreaking invention was the sextant, an instrument used to measure the angle between two visible objects. By measuring the altitude of the sun or a star above the horizon, sailors could accurately determine their latitude. The sextant, combined with accurate timekeeping devices like the marine chronometer, allowed for the calculation of longitude, providing a complete picture of a ship's position at sea. These traditional instruments, while now often complemented or even replaced by modern technology, remain an integral part of maritime history, testaments to human ingenuity, and our enduring quest to explore and understand the world around us. The compass and sextant, two iconic instruments in the history of navigation, have played pivotal roles in guiding seafarers across the vast expanse of the ocean for centuries. These tools were not just instruments, they were lifelines for sailors venturing into the unknown, providing a sense of direction and security in the vast, uncharted waters. The history of these devices is intertwined with the history of exploration itself, marking significant advancements in human capability to traverse the globe. These tools, embodying ingenuity and precision, allowed mariners to determine their direction and position, transforming seafaring from an art of estimation to a science of calculation. The compass and sextant were revolutionary, turning the unpredictable and often perilous journey into a more predictable and safer endeavor. They were the technological marvels of their time, representing the pinnacle of navigational science. The compass, with its simple yet elegant design, relies on the Earth's magnetic field to indicate direction. This small yet powerful instrument has been a constant companion to sailors, guiding them through calm seas and turbulent storms alike. Its invention was a game-changer, providing a reliable means to navigate when the stars were obscured by clouds, or during the day when celestial navigation was not possible. A magnetized needle, suspended freely, aligns itself with the magnetic field lines, pointing towards magnetic north. This seemingly simple mechanism is the result of centuries of understanding and harnessing the Earth's natural forces. The compass's ability to provide a constant reference point was invaluable, especially in the open ocean where landmarks were non-existent. This directional guide, independent of weather conditions or time of day, provided sailors with a reliable means of maintaining course even in unfamiliar waters. The compass's reliability and ease of use made it an indispensable tool for navigation, ensuring that sailors could stay on course and reach their destinations safely. The sextant, a more complex instrument, enabled sailors to determine their latitude by measuring the angle between the horizon and celestial bodies like the sun or stars. This instrument required skill and practice to use effectively, but it provided a level of precision that was unmatched by any other navigational tool of its time. This precision instrument, utilizing mirrors and a graduated arc, allowed for accurate measurements, even on the rocking deck of a ship at sea. The sextant's design was a marvel of engineering, allowing sailors to take readings with remarkable accuracy, which was crucial for long voyages where even a small error in navigation could lead to disaster. By comparing these measurements with nautical tables, navigators could calculate their latitude, a crucial step in determining their position on a chart. This process, though complex, was essential for ensuring that ships could navigate safely across the world's oceans, avoiding hazards and reaching their intended ports. These two instruments, the compass and the sextant, represent cornerstones of traditional navigation, embodying the spirit of exploration and the human desire to conquer the unknown. They are symbols of our enduring quest for knowledge and our relentless pursuit of discovery, guiding countless sailors on their journeys and leaving an indelible mark on the history of seafaring.